Hi, today we're going to show you how to do cleaning cycles and test pages on a HP Officejet 6500 wireless inkjet printer. Now this printer came into us with a pretty severe print quality issue, and the customer asked us to take a look and see if there's anything we could do. So with the machine on, we go into the setup menu by pressing the spanner button on the front of the printer. Now using the left and right arrows on the front of the printer, we move along to Tools and then press OK. We then move along again to the second option, which is Clean Printhead. Now, this will take just a few seconds. And when it's completed the clean, it'll automatically print a test page that shows both your printer's ability to print text and fine detail, as well as some solid blocks of color. Now, paying attention to the solid blocks of color, you'll see there's cyan, magenta, and yellow, which will be pure representations of your printer using those 3 dedicated cartridges inside your printer. And to the right of those, you can see the printer mixing those colors to give you a good idea of where the problem occurs, if indeed you have one. Now, as you can see, the print quality isn't great on the text. Thankfully, the printer gives you the option to proceed to level 2 cleaning on the screen here. So we're going to press 1 and then start going through this process again. As it did last time, you will get a test page when you're finished, and you can carry on proceeding with cleans until you are perfectly happy with the print quality. So we're going to carry on working on that for the customer now, but we're hoping your print quality is looking better than this. If you found this video useful, please do give us a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.